Hey everyone, I am Megan, also known as Megzy the OG. Thanks for tuning in today. Sorry it's been a while, but I am back and I just wanted to show you what I got in my spring 2020 PR box from Pixi Beauty. This is the Hydrating Milky skincare collection. I just wanted to test all 6 of these products out and give you my overall review of them. First and foremost, Pixi Beauty sent these over to me complimentary for testing purposes. You can buy Pixi products at pixibeauty.com. So first and foremost, I just want to talk about the adorable packaging. Look at how cute this is. This, of course, is the Milky collection, and they made it look like a vintage milk carton. There are 6 products, all in little milk cartons. These products are 100% vegan, and many of them contain coconut oil and oat oil. So without further ado, let me just dive into these products. First up is the Hydrating Milky Remover. This product can be used all over your face. It contains probiotics to balance out your skin, and it has oat extract to soothe. This is what the packaging looks like. There are 5.07 fluid ounces of product in here, and I really like the applicator, I guess is what you would call this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a cotton round, and I'm gonna take this product. You just push down, believe it or not, and the product shoots up onto the cotton round. Then just wipe, and it removes your makeup. Let me go ahead and put this headband on. Little kitty cat, meow meow, kitty cat ears. Alright, so product number 2 is the Hydrating Milky Cleanser. This cleanser is perfect for AM or PM use. It contains jojoba for extra nourishment for your skin, and it claims to give you silky smooth skin. This product also contains willow bark extract. So I'm just going to take a coin-size amount and I'm going to massage it into my skin. Maybe just a little more than a coin size. Product number 3 is the Hydrating Milky Peel. This is a micro-peeling exfoliating cream. It's supposed to minimize your pores while also conditioning your skin. There's 2.71 fluid ounces of product in this tube. So with this product, you're supposed to leave it on for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're supposed to massage it into your skin and then wipe the remaining product off. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'll be right back. We are halfway there. The fourth product is the Milky Tonic, which promises to provide balance and comfort with every serving. This product includes green tea to protect your skin. There's 3.4 fluid ounces of product in this bottle right here. So just take the top off, get your cotton round, and put it on the cotton round. This product is for AM or PM use, and it is alcohol free, so keep that in mind. Product number 5 is the Treat. It is to restore and soothe your skin. It is the Hydrating Milky Serum. This product also is for AM or PM use. It's supposed to improve your skin long term, and it's supposed to soften fine lines. So just take your serum, and the sixth and final product in this collection is the Milky Hydrating Lotion. There's 4.57 fluid ounces of product in this tube. It has a coconut and shea butter base. It is a facial and body moisturizer, and its main claim is deep hydration. Now, the main thing that I love about this product, not only the hydration, but the scent of this product is so good. I definitely am gonna have to grab some more of this here soon from pixibeauty.com. So again, thank you Pixi Beauty for sending me all these products for free to test and to try. I love them all. Definitely have to say that the Milky Lotion is a major favorite for me. I also think I'm gonna be using a lot of the Hydrating Milky Peel. This exfoliator just feels really good on your skin, and it makes you have very soft, luscious skin. One last thing, thank you so much Pixi right here for making this toner. It is alcohol free, which is a big plus for the beauty community. I know a lot of people were critical about the toners before having alcohol in them, so thank you Pixi for listening to your customers. That's all I have for you all today. Thank you for tuning in with me. Thank you for going on this skincare journey with me. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see in the future, and have a great day. Thanks guys. Bye.